but I'm an odd man out here. आज इस समारोह में उपस्थित सभी हमारे विशिष्ट और गणमान्य डॉक्टर्स पूरे देश के और विदेश के, आज इस समारोह में सभी आमंत्रित डेलीगेट्स, मुझे इस कार्यक्रम में जब इनवाइट किया गया था तो मैंने सबसे पहला ये प्रश्न कहा कि मैं तो डॉक्टर नहीं हूं और एक डॉक्टर की बैठक में मुझे क्यों बुलाया जा रहा है। ये सबसे पहला प्रश्न था और तब मुझे जवाब मिला कि क्योंकि आप एक पेट लवर हैं तो ये फोरम में आपको बुलाना उचित है। और आज मैं इस सभा में और इस कार्यक्रम में मैं एक पेट लवर के रूप में आया हूं। जब जब पेट्स की बात आती है तो मुझे अपना डॉग जिमी याद आता है और समय समय पे मुझे याद आता है और मैं सोचता हूं कि इस दुनिया में ऐसा कोई जानवर नहीं है और ऐसा कोई शख्स नहीं है जो आपके पेट की तरह आपको प्यार करता है, एक निष्पक्ष निस्वार्थ भाव से। कभी कभी मुझे उसके प्यार पर बहुत आश्चर्य होता था। पता, आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी सरप्राइज्ड दैट हाउ कैन अ डॉग बी सो लॉयल एंड सो लविंग, एंड यूज्ड टू रियली सरप्राइज मी दैट इज इट पॉसिबल that a pet can love more than a human being, or a pet can love you more than anything on this earth. कभी कभी मैं उसका परीक्षा लेता था। I used to take his test to see what is more important, his comfort or his loyalty towards me. एसी के कमरे में रहता था और मैं जस्ट आई यूज्ड टू वॉक आउट, बाहर 35-40 डिग्रीज टेम्परेचर था, एंड ही वुड वॉक आउट विथ मी इन एट 40 डिग्रीज टेम्परेचर सेंटीग्रेड. ही वुड जस्ट अकम्पनी मी एंड ही वुड इग्नोर द एयर कंडीशन रूम. हिज अनकंडीशनल लव एंड हिज अनकंडीशनल अटैचमेंट, व्हाट्सएवर इट इज, उसको खाना ठीक मिले नहीं मिले, बीमार हो नहीं हो, बट फॉर हिम हिज पेट पेरेंट, जिसको इंग्लिश में आजकल लोग कहने लगे हैं, वॉज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. और मैं कभी कभी सोचता हूं कि एक पेट का क्या डेफिनेशन है. एक पेट का डेफिनेशन है उसके माता पिता उसके ब्रीड के होते हैं. लैब्राडोर डॉग था तो उसके माता पिता कोई लैब्राडोर डॉग ही होंगे. 45 days after he was born, I think that's the time that the veterinarians recommend for adoption. A human being adopts it. And after that, the human being becomes his father and his mother. He has forgotten his original biological parent. And you can imagine the condition, you know. He only thinks that this guy is his father and this guy is his mother. Unlike other, you know, unlike a human being, छोटा बच्चा रहता है, a boy or a girl grows up, his father and mother are his biological father and mother, and the doctor treating him or the child talks to the father and talks to the mother. But in case of a parent of a pet, the pet parent doesn't understand the language of the pet. The doctor also doesn't understand the language of the pet. It must be a very difficult job for the veterinarians. And I admire them for that. It is easy to be a human doctor, but an extremely difficult thing to be a veterinarian. You have to fight with emotions. You have to fight with emotions of the pet parent. And it's a very traumatic experience when somebody loses his pet. I really admire the veterinarians for that. The same is true with all animals. I'm not talking of just dogs. I'm talking of cats, I'm talking about cows, I'm talking of goats. But I think this is the association of small animals, so mostly something to do with cats and dogs. I once started learning as to when did man become friendly with the dog. The history goes back to 16,000 years. And the dog was the first friend of the man. Even before he encountered a cow, he encountered any other animal. The dog was always with him 16,000 years back. It used to go around hunting with him, chasing animals, helping him to hunt, and protecting him. That's the longest association that man has had with a dog. We do hear of Mahabharata. When the Panch Pandava started their journey towards heaven, the dog was the last accompaniment to the king. He accompanied till the last door of the heaven, and when the God on the other side of the heaven said that we don't entertain dogs, then the king said that if you don't allow him, then I am also not going into the heaven. That is the level of attachment, and that is the level of commitment which one has with a pet. There were times when I used to go for trekking. I did a trek at Rupkund. I didn't have a pet at that time. I had a pet about 9 years back. I met a dog at the foothills of the mountain, and the dog started accompanying me. I was surprised that the dog accompanied me till Rupkund peak and then came back to where it started. I don't know what, but God made dogs for something else. And God did create dogs to love humankind and to be with him. I'm happy that all the veterinarians, especially the small animal practitioners, have got together. The number of pet owners have risen, and they are now multifold. There are issues related to keeping them in hostels. Traveling is also still an issue. I think this conference would also look into those issues. Health has also become an issue with many of the pets. Many people have started having pets in small flats, small houses, single room houses, 2-room houses, 19th floor, 20th floor, people have started keeping pets. And that has an adverse effect on their health. I think these are the new challenges that now pet practitioners are facing. The cost of treatment is also very high. The cost of maintenance is also very high. And a lot of things have now emerged as a challenge to the small animal pet industry. I hope all these issues will be discussed in this conference. And I thank the organizers of this conference for inviting me. And again, make me remember my pet Jimmy, whom I lost 2 years back. I wish all the participants and the organizers a very happy stay in Patna, Bihar. Do enjoy your stay here. And thank you for enjoying it for organizing it in Patna. And I wish the organizers my best wishes. Jai Hind, Jai Bihar.
Thank you, sir. Our